You think AI just types, answers instantly. But that's not what's actually happening. Every time you ask AI something, it secretly predicts the next word over and over again. Thousands of times per response. It's basically playing the world's smartest autocomplete. But here's the creepy part. AI doesn't actually understand words like humans do. It turns language into massive layers of math patterns and probability. That means this entire conversation is really just advanced prediction happening at insane speed. And somehow, it feels human. Comment if AI responses are starting to get too realistic.